Today we are going to show you how to make condensed milk or Milkmaid at home. In the market, cost of Milkmaid can is around 110 rupees. Then why to buy that overpriced canned stuff when you can make fresh at home which cost only 30 to 40 rupees, that too with real natural ingredients. Half liter of milk, 100 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a pan, pour in the milk, add sugar and baking powder. Heat this up in medium to high flame and stir it regularly. After the milk is boiled, keep the flame low and stir the milk until it changes its color and becomes thick. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes to condense your milk. Now your condensed milk is ready. You can use this condensed milk to prepare basundi, kulfi, cake, ice cream and many more sweet dishes.